this is my quick release method. We pull from there. Yeah, this is the quick release method. Yeah, twang, 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 twang. Doesn't require any clip things. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to put it back as easy. So I can remove that. There's my scooter. So let's try to redo it up. Right, now we've got all that through. I still will have to use clips, but they'd be a lot easier to do. Look. Clip, he says. Right, okay. Everything is fine. Everything working. It's what it should be doing. It's gonna make me go! And we're done. Oh, one effort. So it is done. It is done, sir. I'll push that in the ground there. I mean, it ain't perfect, but look at it, it's so much easier to do and less stress. Brilliant.